Hello, Kauai. This is your County of Kauai briefing for Thursday, July 14th. Officials are closely monitoring Hurricane Darby as it continues to move west, south of the state. While the National Weather Service does not anticipate significant impacts for Kauai from Darby, there's likely to be some wind and rain starting Saturday. Please stay tuned to local media or monitor weather updates at www.weather.gov/HFO. This is the first storm to enter the Central Pacific during the current hurricane season, so now is also a good time to ensure you and your family are prepared for a weather emergency. For more on emergency preparedness, visit www.kauai.gov/KEMA. Additionally, a large south swell is building this weekend, and ocean safety officials are advising no swimming or snorkeling at all east, south, and west-facing shores as high tides and very dangerous ocean conditions are expected. A high surf advisory is currently in effect, and surf is expected to increase through this weekend. Please speak to a county lifeguard at any lifeguard station. Visit www.hawaiibeachsafety.com or call the Ocean Safety Bureau at 808-241-4984 before going near or entering the water along these shores. Remember, know your limits, know the conditions, and when in doubt, don't go out. For the past 2 weeks, county and state agencies, along with other emergency response partners, are conducting joint training and exercises with the Hawaii Air National Guard's 93rd Civil Support Team. And on Thursday, a full-scale exercise was held on the Kauai Community College campus. Participating in this week's events, including the Kauai Emergency Management Agency, Kauai Fire Department, Kauai Police Department, KCC, Hawaii Department of Health, Wilcox Health, Kauai Veterans Memorial Hospital, and Samuel Mahilona Memorial Hospital. We are grateful to all participating agencies for dedicating their time and service in these crucial emergency exercises. The skills learned during this time will benefit our first responders and our entire community. If you haven't already done so, we invite all residents and visitors to take a quick online survey that will help our Office of Economic Development assess transportation preferences here on Kauai. The survey is designed to better understand why people choose certain modes of transportation and what would make them change to something different. The results will help officials find avenues where various alternative transportation options may work well on Kauai. To take the survey, visit OED's transportation website at www.getaroundkauai.com. The survey will be available until October 31st. Now for an update on COVID-19. We are sad to announce another fatality from COVID-19, a male resident in his 90s who was not hospitalized. Our condolences are with his family. Case counts declined here and statewide over the past week. Kauai's 7-day average is now at 23 cases a day, down from 31 last week. That's the 5th consecutive week of declining cases. Statewide, the average is 558 cases a day, down from 651 the week before. The actual numbers are higher because this data does not include home tests. Our hospitals and healthcare system are managing cases and have adequate capacity. For more, we turn to Kauai District Health Officer Dr. Janet Berriman.
Thanks, Mayor. Case counts are coming down on Kauai and statewide, and the CDC rates our community transmission level as medium. This is good news. We know, however, that there's still a lot of COVID going around, and we continue to see deaths, especially among elderly residents. With the B4 and B5 variants spreading rapidly, we will likely see case counts rise again. If you or someone around you is high risk, or if you just want to protect yourself from getting sick, it's still a good idea to wear a mask when indoors or in crowded places. If you test positive, contact your healthcare provider to see if you should receive treatment for COVID. The treatments are most effective if taken as soon as possible after you get sick. You can give COVID to someone else for as long as 10 days after the day you got sick. Although isolation is recommended for only 5 days, you should be very careful to wear a mask whenever you're around other people for an additional 5 days, so you don't accidentally spread COVID. Everyone aged 6 months and older should get vaccinated, and everyone has a choice of Moderna or Pfizer vaccines. The FDA has recently authorized the Novavax COVID vaccine for emergency use. At this time, Novavax is not yet available. However, the CDC is expected to make its decision about recommending Novavax sometime next week. We will provide updates as they become available. In 2 weeks, the Department of Health's Kauai District Health Office will conduct a Community Assessment for Public Health Emergency Response, also known as CASPER. This survey will assess the community's perception of Kauai's COVID-19 response and current household emergency preparedness. The responses will help us understand how the community sees our COVID-19 response efforts over the last 2 years. It will build upon what we've learned from prior CASPER surveys about household emergency preparedness. Survey teams will go door to door July 26th to 29th to 30 randomly selected census blocks. 7 houses within each census block will be surveyed. Only selected houses are eligible to participate. Survey teams are comprised of Department of Health staff with support from the Kauai Medical Reserve Corps and the American Red Cross. Team members will carry identification cards and wear vests identifying themselves as part of the Department of Health survey team. Survey teams will wear face masks and physical distancing will be observed. Selected households may also complete the survey by phone. The survey takes about 10 minutes to complete, and all responses are confidential. Survey teams will not collect names or addresses. We greatly appreciate the participation of Kauai residents in this island-wide survey effort that enables the Kauai District Health Office to meet our community needs before, during, and after a disaster.
Thanks, Dr. B. Lastly, I was recently able to get a glimpse of the extraordinary work that our public works crews endure daily. On Tuesday, I joined the Hanapepe Base Yard crew as they trim trees and hedges along Koloa Road. And let me tell you, these guys are really working hard out there. Additionally, as Koloa Plantation Days draws near, we are grateful to all of our crews who are working to ensure the safety of us all. You guys are truly appreciated. If you see someone working hard along the road, please be kind and show your aloha too. Mahalo, Kauai.